This is Cat Daddy Adams, and I'm about to do my version of the great song Just a Girl. Now, I know this is supposed to be just for girls to sing, but they all say we all have a little feminine side. So, therefore, I'm flexing mine out a bit. Okay, so here we go. My monologue version of the song Just a Girl. Take this pink ribbon off my eyes. I'm exposed, and it's no big surprise. Don't you think I know exactly where I stand? This world is forcing me to hold your hand. 'Cause I'm just a girl, little old me. Don't let me out of your sight. I'm just a girl, all pretty and petite, so don't let me have any rights. Oh, I've had it up to here, the moment that I step outside. So many reasons for me to run and hide. Little things I hold so dear. 'Cause it's all those little things that I fear. 'Cause I'm just a girl, I'd rather not be. 'Cause they won't let me drive late at night. I'm just a girl. Guess I'm some kind of freak, 'cause they all sit and stare with their eyes. I'm just a girl. Take a good look at me. I'm just your typical prototype. Oh, I've had it up to here. Oh, am I making myself clear? I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl in the world. That's all that you'll let me be. I'm just a girl living in captivity. Your rule of thumb makes me worry some. I'm just a girl. What's my destiny? What I have succumbed to is making me numb. I'm just a girl. My apologies. What have I become is so burdensome. I'm just a girl. Lucky me. Tweedledum. There is no comparison. Oh, I've had it up to. Oh, I've had it up to. Oh, I've had it up to here. All right, that's my version of the song. Obviously very creepy and disturbing. I hope it's slightly funny. This might actually be a lot more funnier if you add alcohol. If you can, or even if you cannot, oh well. But let me know how you think this was because I feel a little awkward now. I've done expressing my female side. I have found out my female side is all lesbian. Yay! So, meow. Oh well, at least I had fun.